gonna be unboxing whatever GoPro this is.
You don't know what it is. Is the table high enough or low?
It's good.
Put it for your level, bro. The dog wants to come see too. So.
Okay. Oh, there's stuff wrapping. Okay. Just need to cut that. Let's cut this tape.
There you go. It's just a spudger. There's no blade on it, right?
Yeah.
You're a trained professional.
Yeah.
What the heck?
That's a different. What?
What?
This little thing.
What is it?
I don't know.
Oh, that's a hold up. That's a. Let's get it out of the way. That's a micro SD card.
I'm cutting it.
I think they did that for like free, so don't bend it.
I'm cutting it.
Yeah, don't bend
Cutting
it.
the tape. Having it in a line.
Okay.
Take the tape off.
Okay. Let's get this out. Cut that tape right there.
Okay.
There you go.
Yeah.
All right.
It's a GoPro.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
To make more videos, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Unwrap it.
Okay. It's like a present.
Yeah, you'll get to use it.
It's like a present, right?
Yep.
Okay. What type of GoPro? What type of GoPro? GoPro 11! 11!
What?
It's a GoPro 11!
Okay, don't tear it up.
Okay. Can I tear the box out?
I guess whatever. Hold up. Hold up. Wait. Look. Pull the tab right there. Right there. There you go.
Okay. Let's see what's in this boy. Oh! Wow. Let's see what's in there. Okay. This is the instructions.
Yeah, you probably won't use that too much, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, give me all the instructions.
Right.
Give it here.
Okay. Wow!
What's that tape?
I don't know.
What's it say on the back? Your camera.
Must be updated before you can use it.
All right, so we got to put the latest software, huh? Latest update.
How do you... Is this on or not?
No, let me see it.
Get the stuff off.
Let's see. So it looks kind of like the 10.
Wow, this is nice.
That's the Enduro battery. So
Whoa. Look at this.
what is
There's
that?
a little... I think it looks like a little stand.
Oh, that's the little clip like they go on top of a helmet. Don't take the sticker off. That goes from top of a helmet. What else? That's the little thing. That's the little. This is the little screw thing.
It's getting all clean.
Oh, you peeling the stickers off?
Yeah. Where's this one?
This one. We'll keep it right here.
What is this? It's a little thing. Or whatever.
Oh, that's for another little clip.
Oh. Like the charger.
That's the charging cable.
Yeah.
Okay, so we won't peel it. We'll peel the sticker off of this.
Yeah.
But it looks very similar. I'm curious to see. We'll take it for a spin, of course. It's supposed to be decent weather the next few days, and then it gets hot again. Yeah, we'll try it with the SD card that they gave us with it. You know, we bought this with our own funds, so they didn't like give it to us, but it was supposedly free, the micro SD card. I think they do that more to here's your initial experience, and that way if you buy a crappy micro SD card, then yeah, and there's Owen's foot. So if you buy a micro SD card that sucks, then you don't say the camera sucks. So that's probably why they give that to the users. So pretty cool, huh? We make some more videos with it, right?
Yeah, and I'm gonna show my bruise.
That's not a bruise. That is a blister from rollerblading.
Yeah, because it's gripping against my sock.
Yep.
And it ripped somewhere.
So we'll do some rollerblading tomorrow, maybe?
No.
Oh.
This is how many.
So you can see we got the 7. This one was kind of junk, yeah.
It was the 7 white.
Yep.
This is the
but you
8.
had to put a little bracket on it to put the little thing, and then it locked up a lot. So.
And it's complicated, like you have to like do this and stuff.
So then they went to the 8. This is just the regular screen, shows the time. Then they stepped it up with the 9 to show the screen. The 10, I feel like it was just, I don't know, it drank a lot of battery and had some stuff. I don't know, it wasn't that great of an upgrade. I'm curious to see if they really brought it this time. Luckily, you can see they stayed with the same form factor, so you could throw in stuff like the little mods. I really like this for after I filmed a couple videos and I had a lot of wind noise. I went and bought this little mod. Man, it makes a huge difference with doing some stuff where you have wind and not pissing people off. And you're so excited to get it together. Hey, you can't put it in there yet.
Why not?
You can't. Because the mod, what you do is you have to pop the battery door off, and then the mod pops on, because it adds some ports and stuff, some mic ports and different HDMI ports and charging ports, and it is no longer waterproof as well with the mod, of course. So we're going to get this charged up, and yeah, they do have the same batteries as the 9, 10, and 11. So we'll see how it works out.
Jump in.
Is it chilly?
Is it? Is it?
Huh?
I don't know. Is it?
Push it in my pocket.
Actually, just flipped me over.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Can they see you in it?
No, I need. Let me see. Yeah.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Don't hit me with it. Hold it out from you like this. So, can they see?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? 1, 2.
Don't flip me backwards.
Huh?
Don't flip me. Just have me land on my back. Okay.
Oh, yeah.